Alright, the next Lego train we're going to build is this one right here. The Lego City Freight Train. Hey guys, this is Jay Bricks here, and today we're going to build the 60336 Lego City Freight Train, which comes with 1,153 pieces. And look how many straight tracks it has. It's the same number as the curves, because normally Lego City trains have less straights and more curves. But I'm glad they're raising up the amount of straight tracks, because we need more straights unlike curves. I think we're just gonna go ahead and build this and give a full review of it at the end. And there we go, all built. It comes with 6 minifigures, the engine, the car carrier, 2 freight cars, one with crates, another with the charging station. A little buffers up there with a slide for the cars to go down or up the car carrier. And a little crane. Pretty unique, isn't it? Let's start off with the minifigures like usual. This seems to be the crane driver. This one must be the worker for the charging station. I don't know. This one must be a little farmer. These two must be some people who are purchasing their own cars, which are these two. And this lady must be the train driver, or the engineer, whatever you might call it. So let's set these aside. Set them aside, and let's start off with the engine. Alright, the engine I quite like. Pretty much. It's got the full powered up system. It doesn't have any batteries in it yet. Although we can turn on the power, however, by pressing this button on the front of it. Looks pretty well. Although what I don't like is that this isn't filled in there. I might customize that by putting something there. I haven't though yet. It's got blue lights, front and back. Same thing with this thing. And the bottom, the motor, and here's some new sets of wheels. Instead of using metal bars, these bars are now plastic, and they're put separately for these wheels. It's impressive. And it has the ability to add lights to it. They weren't included in the set, so I ordered a pair of lights for it. I'll add those later at the end of the video. I actually purchased 4 lights because I have other trains to put lights in as well. But I'm only going to do one since it's this one. Why don't we go ahead and compare this one with the 2018 cargo train. Well, first of all, it has the same symbol on it. These pantographs are different, unlike this one, unlike these ones. Yeah, but I think I like these ones better. It's pretty much same as usual. The bottom, these are the old wheels and these are the new wheels. Pretty satisfying. Alright, now let's move on to another review of the set. Alright, here's the crane. It's made with a lot of Technic bricks plus this grabber with 4 studs And this little rubber piece right here, pretty unique, so it releases easily the item. This thing can extend. Oh, too far. Plus, I can lift things with this thing, with this handles, and with these handles over here. Here, I can grab something and lift it. Pretty unique. And this roof opens up. Actually, this whole section opens so that way I can add the driver, which in case it's actually this one, the lady. We'll just put that back. So yeah, I'll test this thing in the next car. All right, here we go. Here's the ramp, the buffers, and the two cars. Let's start with this one. This has a little charging station to charge your cars. This can be removed and attached to the car easily. And these are the solar panels to grab energy from the sun. And this little car can open up. Oh. So that way it's easier to remove the little charging station. So let's test that. Wow, impressive. We'll put that back. But pretty unique. All right, I better close this now. There we go. Let's compare. Now let's try this one. Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, anyway, this is a crate full of plants. Plants that's inside this crate. Right. And in these two containers are carrots and bottles. Interesting. So these two can be carried with the crane as well, although although you need to unlock it first. With these two, you need to pull these out. This is so these two don't slide, or these two don't slide off the tracks. Or off the car, I meant. Sorry about that. Very clever. Alright, now let's move on to the last freight car. Alright, here's the car carrier, which is hauling only 2 cars. Here's the little unloading and loading platform, which I can bring these down, and I can also bring this down as well. But first I need to take these need to bring down these pieces. I'm going to angle this on one side so I can release the first car. And then bring down on the other side so I can let this car go through. Pretty cool trick. Now these two cars are identical. They look almost the same, except the roof is a little wider. go ahead and put them back into the train car. I think I need to make another car to put on this side so this thing stays balanced. And probably these are the two minifigures that want to get these two vehicles. I noticed one thing. This guy has a little smartphone. It's pretty interesting. That's something new. Well, let's go ahead and add the lights to the cargo train. Alright, now first thing I'm going to do is open this bag. A bag in a bag. Impressive. Here are the lights. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this whole section off. There you go. See, this whole section comes off. This is where the motor's at. Oh, my brain's going dead on the A part. Alright, the B part is where the lights was where the light's gonna go. So let's add the lights to it now. Oh, let's go. Let's go ahead and insert the lights through there, and I'm gonna place it in these two holes back there. If I could just, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this thing, and I can easily add the lights to it. There we go. I got nowhere to plug this, so it's just gonna have to be the way it is for now. There you go. Alright, it's pretty tough with all these cables. Okay. There we go. Let's go ahead and put the train back together. And there we go, the lights are added. Once I get some batteries for this train, I'll be able to light it up, whereas right now I cannot. But the best part is that now I can add lights I can turn on the lights with my phone instead of, well, actually with my phone and the remote control. because with this train, you cannot add lights to it because there's no way for me to add lights to it, which is a shame. And I cannot turn the lights on with my phone on the passenger train from 60197 from 2018, which is a bummer. But I can only do it with... Never mind. Well, anyway, I can't wait to see what this looks like with the lights on. Alright, that's all I want to show for now. See you in the next LEGO video. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and like my videos. Adios!